Welcome to Ties Institute for Career Training, where we turn your passion for travel into a successful career. Are you ready to become a travel visa and passport consultant? Our comprehensive course equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of international travel documentation. At Ties Institute, our expert instructors, who have over 20 years of experience, guide you through the intricacies of visa and passport requirements for various countries. Learn about the different types of visas, application procedures, and documentation essentials. Our course covers everything from visa policies and regulations to handling client queries and providing personalized assistance. You'll gain practical insights and real-world experience. With interactive learning modules and real-life case studies, you'll develop the expertise to assist travelers with their visa and passport needs efficiently and accurately. Master the use of online visa application systems and stay updated with the latest changes in immigration laws and policies. Upon completion, you'll receive a prestigious certification recognized by leading travel agencies and companies worldwide. Enroll today and embark on a rewarding career in travel consultancy. Visit www.tiesinstitute.com for more information or call 9011045866. Ties Institute, your gateway to a world of opportunities.